Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your stock market analysis for October 15th, 2011. All right, so the market is staging an incredible 2-week rally ever since hitting this low here around the 107.50 area. Basically going all the way back up to this prior resistance, close to around the 120.50, give or take. And there's a pretty good chance, I'm pretty much guessing that this is going to be our bottom for the time being, especially seeing how it broke a new low, but yet it quickly retreated back above support. So it's almost a fake breakdown, right? It's like the same thing that you see in an uptrend where a stock makes a new high but quickly fades back. That's a fake breakout. Well, in this case, this is a fake breakdown, especially given the intensity of the snapback rally all the way back up into this top of this range here. So like I said, there's a very good chance we might have hit the bottom for the time being, at least for at least a good few months or so. Now, seeing how the market has rallied 2 weeks in a row, right now it's probably not a good time to add on to any longs or initiate any long position given where the market is. So I would much rather wait for some kind of a pullback, either to support, maybe back to this 50-day moving average or slightly lower. In either case, I would much prefer for the market to pull back, let this bullishness kind of die down a bit, and then wait for that higher low to form, and then get in on the long position. Okay, because I think right now the market looks like it's near some kind of a top, especially given that it's all the way back up to resistance, and it looks kind of tired. Seeing how the momentum is slowing down a bit. The one way you can tell is by the size of the candlesticks, where you can see the initial 3 candlesticks were large white candlesticks, but as you get higher and higher, the size of the candlesticks get smaller and smaller, and that tells you the range of within the day is getting smaller, meaning that the buyers aren't able to push prices up as high in the range as they did initially when they pushed off this rally. So like I said, I would much rather wait for some kind of pullback or some kind of a consolidation base, whatever it is, to get long on this market as opposed to doing so right now. And that's what I'm going to look for in the next week or so.